Hello everyone and welcome to another UConn UPDC construction project update. My name is Lou Gett and today is June 25th, 2019. We are on the Whitney Dining Hall renovation project. This will be our first video of this series and we'll be taking you through progress today. Whitney Dining Hall, shown in the center of your screen, part of our East Campus. Holcomb to the left, Sprague to the right, will be receiving a full renovation this summer. We're going to begin by showing you what it looked like before the progress. We're going to take you through some plans and then finally show you where we are today. And here is a picture of graduation week this year. The space has not been updated in quite some time. It had served its purpose, but it was in desperate need of an upgrade. Now to take a walk through our design documents. And it's worth noting that Whitney Dining Hall is one of the smallest dining halls on campus, an intimate dining space. Its claim to fame is its farm to table, fed from our Spring Manor farms and local Connecticut farms. Right off the bat, the same exterior door will be in there, but as soon as you get into the check-in area, totally remodeled in through this section in here. You'll notice the two columns will be removed. They were not needed. They were just architectural features. There'll be display areas to the right and left-hand side, following the basic farm-to-table theme. Most importantly, the opening into the dining hall will be widened to this size, almost the size of the check-in area. There'll be a glass area in here, but most of the time it will be open, leading the view right in through the dining area and actually outside through the window. So the dining space completely remodeled. The old wooden tables have been removed. Most importantly, we're going to show you boots on the ground, is the skylight over this area. It will be well lit all the time in through here. And bordering that will be some window walls to break this section in here. Again, with some theming on the farm to table through that area right in through there. But it's all about the servery being revamped on this project, along with the aesthetics. The prep area was increased in this back section over in here to separate the prep area from the serving area. The new serving line, brand new equipment in here. They'll now have an action station for your custom ordering in this section right through here. The wall space is being used more often to allow better circulation through this area. Be a deli station on this walk. On this wall right in through here will be our hot and cold beverage station and a larger, bigger gluten-free space right in through here. The salad bar used to be right in here, used to bump into it on the way in, will now be off to the side. This will be a growing wall, very similar to Putnam. All the herbs will be grown right in here, and it actually is a great backstop for the dish room behind it through there. And that's the basic dining room. Again, well lit, fantastic. We're going to come into here, our cafe station, totally remodeled. To start off, there'll be a small table back in here for small groups, for small, even more of an intimate space in through here. This new live edge table in through here will be a slab of wood with the bark on it, a natural finish table in here. We can't wait to see that. All the wall finishes are being redone in through here. But most importantly, the fireplace that hasn't been used in ages, they'll now have a gas fireplace in through here with a new stone veneer around this area, and that will be able to be used constantly in through here. So a very exciting project, lots going in on a small space. Amazing project, amazing dining hall. We're going to show you where we are today. Most of the demo and the structural steel is going on in the space in through here. We can't wait to see the finishes. Let's begin our update with the key feature of the project, and that is the new skylight. Look at how large of a space it is on the roof over the top. This picture depicts the roofers preparing the space, as you can see below, for the steel, which will be installed in the next couple of days. Boots on the ground. Nothing's really changing with our exterior facade through here. Let's come through the doors. We talked about in our overhead shot, once graduation was over in May, we came right in here and started the demo progress. The wainscoting down through here We're going to take you through the back stairs and show you our basement area, our service area right in through here. All the floor finishes have been removed in this section over here through here. Again, it'll be all new finishes in this section right in through here. So this is a kitchen renovation project. It's kitchens and interior space. This check-in area will all be remodeled, brand new. The entrance to this area will all be brand new, will be totally different. They're in the process of getting ready to put some shoring in this area. This wall comes out completely. This becomes a sliding glass entrance assembly from one end to the other. To cap out the check-in area, we'll take a quick stop down through the corridor here. All the offices stay the same, but we get a new bathroom in this area. So these old buildings, you never know what you're going to find in the demolition in through here. It's going to be a nice space in here, nice brand new bathroom. We'll come back in this area in here. Core machines making the cores for the holes for the new plumbing in through here. I'm going to leave the check-in area to the main dining room in here. We talked about it in the overhead. It's all about the skylight. Yesterday the crane was here. This temporary protection moves away quickly. The crane was here all day. The major supporting steel was installed. This was all structural steel that went across this opening beforehand. The ironworkers have done a great job. I'm going to step back here for a second. All the shoring that was in place, that had to be in place temporarily for the structure to stay while this opening was worked on. We call these screw jacks that you see right in through here. They're all designed to support the structure over the top. This is just roof area over here, not too bad. Again, nice job on the opening. This is going to be the feature of the dining room, this space right in through here, this big skylight right in here. We'll turn over to the right over here. Our salad area over here, our dishwashing area right in through this section right in here. We're going to turn back over here to this wall right in here. We'll call this our west wall. This brick will get cleaned up and exposed in through here. All right, our new prep area is over through here. Our new serving area right in through here. Again, totally different, excuse me, all modernized, up to the campus standards, similar to what we have in other dining halls in through here. This space will be used in here for more equipment in through here. Again, the eco wall system, I'm pretty excited to see that. Brand new product will go on the exterior wall in through here. Very nice. But again, it's about the skylight, this big opening light area right in here. It's going to change the look at this room completely. We're going to enter the cafe. Was the old cafe, will be the new cafe, but will look nothing like the old area. Let's take a quick peek at this construction. As I showed you downstairs, the type of formwork they used in the old days, these bar joists in here. But this is the finishes in here are going to be fantastic, and they're going to actually have insulation. They're going to be a newer product. It's an eco framing system. We're going to come in and take a look at that. This old construction had no insulation in there. Terracotta brick is what we call it. See the orange in the brick over the back end through here. So the finishes in here, very high end. We'll come back in here. It's going to be very exciting. The fireplace stays, some stonework comes over the top in here. Be great to be able to see that. We're gonna come through the back entrance here, what we kind of call the back of the house here. This is the ground floor section. We'll take just a quick peek in here. There's not a lot of work going on here, some selective demo. You can see all the utilities here, you know, just to get whatever piping we need to get up. Let's see, we'll take a peek in through here to show you. So they cut little patches out like you see in this corner over here, you know, to get whatever they need to do. So kitchens are all about mechanicals, mostly plumbing and electric. Get a chance to peek up, see the contractor has made his hole for his mechanical to come up here. Today is June 25th, 2019, and we thank you for your interest in our university projects. Remember to subscribe to our UPDC YouTube channel. At the bottom in red here, a click on the subscribe, a second click on the bell right next to it Now you'll receive an automatic email every time we add a video to this site. We thank you for your interest in our university projects. Have a great day.